Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to clear your cache, cookies, and browsing data in Microsoft Edge. This is a quick way to free up space and fix small browsing issues. Let's begin. First, open Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner over here, okay? Then choose Settings. On the left side, click on Privacy, Search, and Services over here. Then scroll down and click on Clear Browsing Data section and choose what to clear. So click on this option. Then over here, I want you to select the time range to all time. All right, or you can choose any of these options over here. Then you can make sure to select cookies, cached images and files, and optionally browsing and download history if you want a full cleanup. Once you've picked up everything you would like to remove, click on Clear Now over here. And that's it. You have now successfully cleared your cache in Microsoft Edge. This should make your browser faster and smoother. I hope you found this video very helpful.